welcome to another Monday Rockstars. I hope you had a fabulous week and weekend. It's Monday afternoon and all my plans to get organised this week I'm falling behind already. You may have seen on last week's vlog that I lost some of my footage. I lost all of Friday and Saturday's footage somehow. I don't know what happened. They just disappeared off my phone. So I spent 2 hours this morning trying to recover them. I kept downloading different apps and different pieces to just try and find them on my phone. I could recover deleted or disappeared photos, but I just couldn't find the videos. So I don't know what happened to them. So I wasted about maybe 2.5 hours this morning looking for those and ended up with no videos. So by the time I'd done that, I then had to edit all of the vlog, last week's vlog, and then it was 3 o'clock. So my plans for getting organised and getting back on track have gone out the window on day one. So tomorrow will be the day I get organised. Honestly, I feel like I'm constantly about a day behind where I want to be at the minute. I think I need to really make a plan of action every week. I need to try and do it on Sunday night rather than Monday morning, so I'm good to go as soon as I get up on Monday. I'm dressed up like this because I was just taking a photo for the cover of last week's vlog, which is called a secret photo shoot, but because I'm not allowed to share anything from the photo shoot, I thought I'd dress up and take some photos, and it's a good excuse to just do a little mini photo shoot. I've got a million flowers and a lovely bow in my hair. I kind of love this look. It's really good for when you don't want to wash your hair. I don't wash my hair very often because of the colour, so this is a great way to just do a bit of dry shampoo and pop it all up under a whole heap of flowers, and it's super quick and super pretty. I think I'm going to get online and order a whole bunch more flowers in different colours as well, because I'm liking this look. What if I can create like a whole flower hat thing? Oh my god, I'm going to find a rock top frock to do that with. That would be awesome. So I got a little present today. A lady who I follow on Instagram put up that she'd received 2 lots of fabric samples from Spoonflower, and would anyone like her spare? So I said yes, and she dropped them off today. So Spoonflower is where you can go online and design your own fabrics and have them printed and sent to you. And it's something that I've looked at doing in the past. When I looked, it was ages and ages ago, they didn't have a great selection of fabrics, but now they do. And it's so exciting. They even do wallpaper and wrapping paper. I'm going to do a big studio makeover maybe towards the end of this year, and I want to reupholster this sofa. And I've got an idea of what I want, and I've never seen the fabric, so now I'm thinking maybe I can make my own fabric, which would be really exciting. They've got, yeah, there's wallpaper, there's paper, there's fleece, there's satin, there's all sorts of gorgeous things. I need to get on the Spoonflower website, have a look and see what the options are. I've got so many ideas already. The possibilities are just endless. Oh my god, it's so exciting. It's Thursday at lunchtime, and I am on my way to take a delivery of stuff to Cardiff Collective, which I've not sold in there before, so it's going to be interesting to see how that goes. I'm taking some upcycled jackets, some ties, some bow ties, and some of my bags in to see what happens there. They wanted them in this week because it's Fashion Revolution week next week, and they've got an event on Sunday afternoon to mark the start of Fashion Revolution week, and I will be going along to that, and my stuff will all be out for sale in the shop by then. So this is also the place that I'm going to be doing my workshops, so I need to start pushing those. I've sold a couple of tickets so far, but need to sell some more, and I'm probably going to start doing sewing lessons there as well, sort of teaching beginners, so that's exciting, something new I've not done before. And then I have to go and buy the rest of the stuff that I need for this week's Rocked Up frock, so I'm really excited about this one. I will tell you more when I get back about what the plans are, because it's going to be huge. Kimmy's coming to do my makeup for it and everything, and I'm styling a wig and all sorts, so I'll tell you more about that when I get home. So I've delivered all my stock for the shop. I've been to one fabric shop and bought the ribbon and zips and things I needed, but I'm now on the hunt for gold sequin fabric. No luck in Lincraft, so I'm going to head out to Spotlight now, see what they've got. Spotlight came up trumps, look at this, gold sparkles, so I could go home and start sewing now. So this is my Rocked Up frock for this week, and I'm going to turn it into Pin-Up Belle, inspired by the Disney Beauty and the Beast Belle. I've got the gold sequins, I've also got some yellow organza, and I'm about to start filming the transformation. I'm so excited to rock this frock up. This is an idea I've been working on for ages. So I'm going to style a wig as well, and Kimmy's doing my makeup, so it's going to be a big one. So really excited. So for this video, I'm going to do something I've never done before, which is to style a synthetic wig. So I did a little test there ages ago on an old wig to see if I could get it to curl, and it worked. So I'm going to be using my Velcro rollers, but because the Velcro just sticks to the wig and then it's a nightmare to take them back out, what I did for my little test one was I covered it in some calico. You want the steam to be able to get through these little holes to set the wig, and you need it to cool as well, but you don't want it to stick to the Velcro, so that worked. And then you just put pins through into the polystyrene head to hold it in place. So tonight I'm going to sit and cover all of my old Velcro rollers, which I don't even use anymore, with calico, so that'll be fun. And I'm going to video it. I'll make a video as well. If it's a huge disaster, I just won't put it up, but I think it'd be cool to document the process, and hopefully it'll work and I'll be able to style this wig. It's only a cheap eBay wig. I really wanted a nice lace front wig to use for this, but I just couldn't afford it, so it's a $20 eBay wig, and we'll see what we can come up with. Oh, my helper's here. Helper or hinderer has to be involved. Is it you? Look, where's Pussycat? Where's Pussycat? Can you see yourself? No, I might cut your whiskers off. It's gonna be a long night. I love you, but please don't help me. Oh, no, don't look up. Got a few more to put calico on, then I'm going to go and sit on the sofa and watch Netflix and sew all these. You're going to help me sew too? I think you are. I'm doing a quick practice run of setting the wig using those rollers that I covered last night. So this is a black wig. It's exactly the same as the brown one I bought for the Belle. All I've got to do it on is a polystyrene head, and it's really top heavy now, so I'm going to have to wedge it between something. It was quite hard to do, and the hair's really slippery. So I've given it one steam, and I'm going to let it cool, then I'll steam it again and let it cool, then we'll see how it comes out. And I'm going out tonight, so I think I'm going to wear this wig out tonight with my Rocked Up jumpsuit. So the curls didn't really hold in this wig. It must be a different type of hair to the one I tried my little experiment on before. I think that was a slightly more expensive wig, so this one was really super cheap. and it's so shiny and slippery, and it just hasn't really held at all, but it still looks better than when it came out of the packet. So I'm not going to record the video after all showing you how to style the hair. I'll wait till I get a better wig and do that another time. But I'll still be able to make the brown wig work for the Belle costume somehow. I'll wing it, make it work. So I haven't got nearly as much done today as I wanted to. I had a really rude email from someone this morning, and it's just sucked all my mojo out of me. So I don't know how people can be so... Yeah, how people can be so rude. Just really devalued my skills, and yeah, really upsetting. So people need to think before they type sometimes, don't they? I know I should be stronger and let it wash over me, but yeah, it really pissed me off. I need to get up, but I am completely wedged in by cats. That's my legs. I've got one behind my knees, and one here. How can I get up when I'm all warm and squished in by cats? I did another test on the brown wig that I'm going to use for the Belle outfit, and yeah, this one didn't hold the curl either, so I'm going to have to come up with a new plan of how I'm going to style it. I know Belle's got that sort of centre part and her hair goes sideways. I might do that. Put a couple of roses, see if I can... I'd like to get a couple of victory rolls in, but it's so... Because it's such a cheap wig, you can see the base really easily through it. So I think I might have to put it on and style it on my head and work out how to do it. But I'll make it work somehow. It doesn't look very Belle-like at the minute, but this is where we're up to. So next, it's time to drape the organza on the bodice. So far behind today. It's about 6 PM now, and I've still got so much to do on the dress, so it's going to be a late night. I finally got the skirt pretty much together. I'm just going to join this onto the dress tonight, and then I'm going to have to get up really early and start sewing. So I've still got to do the eyelets, the panel in the back of the dress, and then the drapes that go around the arms that yeah, I can't leave them off because they're so Belle. So probably about another half an hour to do, and then I'm going to go straight to bed and then get up really early and carry on. So this is how the dress is looking at the minute, and I'm not sure I'm loving it. I think it's the pleats on the bodice are too regular. I need to push the skirt ones so they come out more. Yeah, I'm just not loving the bodice. I think I'm gonna have to change it. I'm gonna go to bed and think about it. I'll get up early and keep sewing and decide then. Kimmy's here! And I'm making her sew because we're still going. We're so close. So hopefully 10 minutes and we should be moving on to makeup. It's what, 11?
Yeah.
God, it's gone so quick. So quick. Can you make me look like I've had more than 4 hours sleep?
No. Yes, I can.
It's time to start makeup. So Kimmy's getting all set up. I'm very excited to see what she's going to do to my face. I'm so happy with how the dress turned out in the end. Changing the bodice made all the difference, and seeing it on me, I think the proportions worked out right as well. So, and then it all came together with Kimmy's amazing makeup and the wig and the flower. So really, really happy with how it all came together in the end. Now I'm at Cardiff Collective in Kingston for the first of this week's Fashion Revolution events with beautiful makeup and wig hair. But yeah, it should be interesting. So this is Fashion Revolution week. I'll talk about that a lot more in next week's vlogs. Cardiff for Fashion Revolution, and Nina's here. If you don't know Nina, she's an incredible local eco-stylist.
Yes, I am.
And I'll put a link to your, you've got
my Facebook page, my Instagram, and
I'll put all the links in the description. Go and find her. Nina has the most incredible collection of pre-loved clothing and vintage clothing that she's built up over many years. And every time you put a picture online, I just cover more and more stuff. So,
like I cover your stuff.
I'll put links up too to the video series that we did together a while ago as well. So,
absolutely.
And tomorrow we're speaking at another event with Fashion Revolution Week.
Yep. It's called Fashion in the Jungle. It's going to be really exciting.
We'll film some more there too.
Absolutely. We'll be talking about how to build a sustainable wardrobe and what's going on behind the scenes in the fashion industry.